Hello, welcome in this video about replacing your iPhone battery. So let's start. First of all, you need to switch off the iPhone. Then you need to unscrew these two screws in the bottom of your iPhone. Then use a sharp object and insert it between the display and the body of the phone, starting at the bottom of the phone. Pull also the display up while you are separating the display from body of the phone. Right now, we need to disconnect the battery first. We need to unscrew these 4 screws. After removing the cover, we need to find the socket for battery first. Just unplug it. Then we can unplug the socket for loudspeaker and microphone. Then we need to unplug the connector for display and also the second connector for display, which is just under it. Order here is very important, so we need to unplug the battery first. Now we need to unscrew these 4 screws to remove the third connector of the display. Now just remove aluminum cover and then just unplug the third connector of the display. Now we can use few drops of 99% alcohol to remove the glue under the battery. Please use at least 80% alcohol because there is not so much water in it. After 1 or 2 minutes, carefully take the battery out. On the back of the new battery, put those adhesive tapes. Carefully put the battery inside and we can start with assembling the phone. I definitely recommend changing the tape under the display, which prevents dust and moisture. Don't forget to also clean the edge area from the old tape around the edges. When we are done, we continue assembling the display. This process is same as disassembling, but backwards. It's very important here to connect the battery socket on the last place in the end. Now we can test if everything is okay. If the iPhone was switched on correctly, we can continue, so we switch it off and then we can continue with assembling. Switch the phone on and that's it. Don't forget to charge your battery to 100% and let it there for charging for at least 1 hour. Then drain your battery almost to 0% and repeat this like 3 times. If your instruction manual to your battery says something different, follow these instructions. That's it. Thank you for watching. Give like and subscribe. Thank you very much.